So this kit is obviously the Veilside V3 kit. First off, before we go any further, massive shout out to Medusa Designs. They do some awesome body kits. This is where this is from. Their socials are on the screen and in the description. If you want any body kits, they do a massive range of them. Go down there, go and visit them, go show them some love and support them. So right here, we've got the Veilside V3 kit. Obviously, it isn't a proper Veilside V3 kit because they are hella expensive. This is a replica from the original kit. You can see the quality is really, really good. If you're not sure what's going to go off, obviously this 350 that we've got on the channel is going to be a Tokyo Drift replica. So it's all wrapped up, it's all going to look pretty much exactly the same. So with this kit, we'll start off, you have a different front bumper, a different rear bumper. Obviously the Veilside rear bumper, Veilside front bumper. You then have some separate side skirts that sit on the car. That's one kit. The second kit for this is the wide arches. We do have some wide arches over there. How awkward is that? They are sat over there. They are going to be needed to be adjusted and all that sort of stuff on this kit. But the first things first is we need to obviously test fit this kit, make sure everything's all there, make sure it sits nicely, see if there's any more adjustment. If obviously we can have some bigger exhaust tips, I think we're going to put some bigger exhaust tips after on the 350. This is one of the reasons I kept them so small, so allocated for the room at the bottom. So looking at the rear bumper, as you just saw from the cinematics, we're obviously going to need a square plate for the rear, which replaces the one that we've got, so we're going to have to strip that off ours anyway. I think the first step that we're going to do is fit this kit, so the front bumper, the rear bumper and the side skirts onto the 350. So I think it's time for me to shut up, me to stop talking. Let's get this 350 in and let's test fit these bumpers. So this, if you guys don't know, is the 350 that we got on the channel. There was a lot of time spent on this, wasn't there? Yeah. Many headaches and all that sort of stuff. We did all the body work, we did all the filling. We did do some filling on it. We learnt from the mistakes, which we kind of showed, to be fair. On the front, some of the rust did come back in it. But that doesn't matter. We can actually show you down this end. We've learnt from this and we've applied it to the Subaru. So here, the rust has come back through. You can see it underneath the wrap. We didn't wrap over this. Obviously we did fix that, but again it's come back. Doesn't really matter because
we didn't care anyway, because we knew exactly what we were doing. To
be fair though, it was just a tester, wasn't it, really? Like we wanted to test what we could do. We'd not really body repaired a car before, and to be fair, we did a pretty damn good job. Like all the doors and everything, they all had dents and that in it, and they all look pretty damn good, in all honesty. This is going to have to be cut out with a wide body anyway, so we don't really care. So obviously this is going to be the base colour that we're going to go on. At some point as well, we are going to go through with an engine swap, so it's not going to be the V6 anymore. That is top secret what it's going to be, but we're going to focus on these visuals. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this front bumper off, pull the side skirts off, pull the rear bumper off, and we're going to test fit and see how this matches up to the original car.
If only without using. You just said pull it off.
I know. I mean, well, technically we could. Technically we could pull it off. Look, watch. Oh. Good job I got a new one.
Jack, help.
No.
Help!
No. Hold on, can you remember the prison I was in?
Yeah, this is your prison. Look,
get back down on the floor.
No!
You didn't get the camera.
Wait, you sure? Hello.
Hi.
Please donate £1.
Please donate.
Hold on, let me get him a pound. Alright.
shit. That's loud.
So the fitment on that is actually pretty damn nice. Bear in mind, it's not bolted in or anything like that. The only thing that's holding it on is those two pieces of masking tape there. Those three on that side, Jack just went OTT. And then there's one piece under here and one piece there. That is all that's holding it on. The fitment is really, really good. So make sure you are showing some support for Medusa Designs if you do need any body kits. Obviously, we've got this section here, which is for the badge, which we do have right here, which will fit nice and snug in there once we are finished. So, we've got one dilemma though. Where am I going to put the plate?
Just get a stick on one.
I wonder if we get brackets. Some brackets and stick it near.
You can't, but then it just ruin the look.
Or if you get one of them ones that electronically come up and flick up. Might be worth the investment. So it hides its shows but then comes up when they're...
Where are you going to hide it?
Roses are coming.
Where are you going to put it?
Still.
You can get ones that go like through the middle bit.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll figure something out. We'll do something. Even if we put static plate on or something, we'll figure something out, I think. So we're going to jump now onto the rear bumper, and then I think we're going to do side skirts last, aren't we? And then we're going to show you, obviously we do have the wide arches over there. We're not going to fit them today obviously in this video because that's going to take a while and a lot of planning. We are going to put them up to the car though and just quickly show you how they fit. But we're going to jump onto this rear bumper, so see you guys in a few seconds. Take a back bumper off this head. It would be fun, this head. Ow!
That was you. Ah!
So for some reason, this clip just don't want to come out, does it, Jack?
Nope.
Does it?
No.
So there you got it, Jack. You ready for this?
Yeah.
It's gonna all come flying out at once. Oh God. Swap.
You hold this.
Oh,
Are you bothered about the clip?
I think it's a bit late. You've seen the other side.
Just hold it.
Do things the right way here at Rusty Autos.
On customer cars, yeah.
On customers' cars, yeah, but when it comes to our own, shit like this always happens.
Wait! Wait, what did you just cut it?
No.
Both answers at the same time.
Don't be silly.
Wait, this is stuck now. I'm gonna have to cut this one. Oh, it's
Just cut it.
It's the wire.
I mean, cut the video.
There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you. I want to tell you a little story about
Rusty might have had a good idea.
You haven't had a good idea.
Rusty might have closed the boot. and now
It's unopenable.
the Rusty crew can't get in the back.
And Jack, put the ratchet tool in there.
We can climb over the back though. It's just a case of how do we get this bumper out? Just drill it and fit it.
Project done.
Fit a body kit, they said. It would be fun, they said. We've not even cut anything yet. This is going to be so fun.
Just took stuff off, masking tape stuff off.
It does look really good though, to be fair again. Jack, do I not want a bumper?
No, you don't.
Oh yeah. But the fitment though,
I'll find this.
looking at this, is actually not too bad, in all honesty.
On the bumper.
The exhaust though, to me and Jack, they're sitting a little bit too far. with the looks of that.
I don't
So
know how I'm going to do this.
we may have to get them adjusted. Jack, just deal with it. Deal with the problems, right? Deal with the situations.
What if? What if? What are you doing?
Go on then, Curtis. What?
That way. Go on then. Because then it will be. Okay.
This is gonna be fun. Look at this. This is how we're gonna get in the boot.
Press.
Hey! We did it!
Wait, where's the tool?
It's not even in there.
What a waste of time.
Okay, we're gonna skip this. Jack's gonna lean over the bumper and it's all gonna fall off.
I'm not touching the button.
We're probably just gonna test fit one side on the other side of the car because there's no point us taking this side off to do the same, just because of the fact that obviously
I give up.
we can see where it bolts to on this side. So once obviously we've test fitted these, we're going to know where we need to drill, where we need to put clips and all that fun stuff. And then probably in the next one as well, once we've fitted this and the side skirts properly, we're going to wrap it as well in the next one. It's going to get wrapped in the same colour as the sides. We've already got the decals as well for it to go up the side. So it's going to look damn good, but we're going to need some fat wheels and some big spacers, aren't we?
Now, we won't need spaces, we'll just get massive wheels.
Massive wheels.
Well, wide wheels.
Oh man, we're low battery, so see you guys in 2 seconds before we lose this clip. Quickly before we die. Curtis, you said you didn't know where the ratchet was.
Wait, I didn't know I was sat on it.
Show this. You're sat on it. Look at the imprint.
I did not sit on that one, not knowing.
How did you not know you were sat on it?
I got that fat ass.
Side skirt's a bit dirty, but we've just took it off and we realised we've got Skegness Beach down here. We have no idea why there's so much sand in here. But I've not even been to the sea in it. It won't even get me to the sea. No, it will. It will. But seriously, that's like pure sand. Look.
Sandcastle like
Make a
that.
little sandcastle.
We'll make a little sandcastle.
Wait, I'll get you a cat. We've got a cat.
I can't make a sandcastle.
So I'm gonna make you one.
Right, what can you make then? Yeah, let's swap out Rusty Auto's.
Rusty Auto's designs. Way! Do you want any stickers?
That plug.
Make sure you guys heading over to Rusty Auto's designs.
There we go.
Let's see if this is it. Look, sandcastle making at Rusty Auto's.
What's that? Title was what? 350 gets a body kit? No.
In about.
Rename.
We're making the wide body now.
So, where am I putting this?
Here.
Well, you want it. We need flat surface, so we'll try that. This because it's a safety car.
Wait. You gotta give it the special tap. You can't tap it like that. You've got to give it a special tap.
I'll bite you way too hard.
All that for nothing. Oh, here we
You know
go.
what? You know what? No, he's let us down. He's let us down. No, Jack.
Just
no,
let us
come on.
down.
You've let us down.
Have I?
You had one job.
The bit's over. You're doing a bit.
Right,
Wait,
so.
did you just put that on the floor?
Yeah. That's what brush is for. So this it's still holding it. It's like I want to build my sandcastle. So this is the kit for this side. Yeah, let's just fit it. So the side skirts have gone on pretty well after all that like commotion. The fitment is really well, in all honesty. It looks so clean. The design on it is absolutely spot on. Obviously everything's not even bolted in. The side skirts aren't even held on by any tape. They're not bolted in at all. So the fitment is millimeters off. But as soon as that's all obviously connected together, that's going to look amazing. It's such a good fitment. Obviously Medusa Designs have done a good job on this kit, and we're going to have such fun obviously installing it. We're going to pick up this in another video. Obviously we've got the wide arches, you know we've got the wide arches, but we're not going to show you that just yet, so make sure you are subscribed down below. Also as well, we are trying to get this done for the Fast and Furious coming out, so obviously Fast and Furious 9. You're going to be seeing a few videos of us taking this to the cinema, doing a bit of all that sort of stuff and seeing people's reactions to the car itself. Yes, it's a replica of a different film, but obviously it's still a Fast and Furious replica, so people will still be able to appreciate it. If you're a Fast and Furious fanatic, you'll know obviously what the car's from. So we're going to have fun with this in the next one. We're going to wrap it and all that good stuff. It's going to take me forever, so I'm going to have fun with that. But it's all about the prep and making it look right. So make sure you subscribe, notification icon is on. Make sure you're smashing that like button for this build, because it pretty much starts now. It's going to look like the Fast and Furious replica.